counting to 10. 1 Kinder Surprise Egg. 1 Thomas and Friends Surprise Egg. Number 2. We have 2 Kinder Surprise Eggs. We also have 2 Thomas and Friends Surprise Egg. Number 3. Here we have 3 Kinder Surprise Eggs. And we also have 3 Thomas and Friends Surprise Eggs. Number 4. Here we have 4 Kinder Surprise Eggs. Number 4. Here we have 4 Thomas and Friends Surprise Eggs. Number 5. Here we have 5 Kinder Surprise Eggs. Number 5 again. Here we have 5 Thomas and Friends Surprise Eggs. Yummy. Number 6. Here we have a Kinder Surprise Egg, Thomas and Friends Surprise Egg. And here we have 6 surprise eggs in total. 6. Number 7. Here we have 7 surprise eggs, Kinder Surprise, and Thomas and Friends. 7 surprise eggs. Number 8. Here we have 8 surprise eggs, Thomas and Friends Surprise Eggs, and Kinder Surprise Eggs. 8 surprise eggs. Number 9. Here we have some Kinder Surprise Eggs and Thomas and Friends Surprise Eggs. In total we have 9 surprise eggs. Number 10. Here we have 10 surprise eggs, Kinder Surprise, Thomas and Friends Surprise Eggs. Yummy. 10 surprise eggs. So let's open one of the Kinder Surprise Eggs and see what we find. As you can see, we have a car or a little jeep. For the sand, it's a little sand buggy. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, learn to count.